kanin lockdown rate tangat ngata kan ning tlang viau to ang chutro ma se he kan sarkarin hun thatak min pe a ti hian lekha zirna hun min pe a nang ni pon hun pailowin lekha in lo zir zer anga ti chwa skula kan chun zomang alomom em ani chuan today we are going to learn from your course book lesson 4 page number 36. And before that, I'm going to let you listen to one song which once was very famous, and this song and poem was composed in around 19th century. So I want you to listen to the song first.
Gaily bedight, a gallant knight, in sunshine and in shadow, had journeyed long, singing a song in search of ELDORADO. But he grew bold, this night so cold, and o'er his heart a shadow fell as he found the spot of ground that looked like ELDORADO.
Ole in lo ngai tha em atun lai chu in ti viau lo mei theya an thuk velte rei to wang em 19th century mi kan ti to kha enge kan zirdon khata tang khan in ring theyem in rin shat theyem pom kan ti to ani tun lai ya chuan eng poetry nge ni ta le ta chuan kan zirtur chu ELDORADO poem by Edgar Allan Poe. Kanzirdon ani. ELDORADO is also called a lost city of gold and is a legendary place of immense wealth. Many people have spent their lives looking for this place. It is a Spanish traditional story, and it is believed to be located in South America. ELDORADO to lost city of gold kan ti kha ania hausakna engkim rangkachak lunglu omna khopui ni in Spanish ho chuan an ringa mi hian mi tam takyan khang hun line 19th century line a an ringa an zonga chu ma selangin zong mu ti a han soi tur hi an le om lowa chu he mun hi South America a ni in an ring ani. Edgar Allan Poe was a famous American poet, author, literary critic, and editor. He was born in 19th January till 1809 October. He was born in 19th January 1809 till 7th October 1847. Edgar Allan Poe chu American poet thu le hlaphuah thiam ani a chuan ama hi editor te ni boka chuan January 19th 1809 na apianga chuan October 7th 1847 na aboral ani tuna chuan a poem hi kan soi fianga ELDORADO by Edgar Allan Poe kan ti kha kachiar lain in lo en thep don ania o in le khabu kha kasoi angkhan page number 36 in kevek satro kachiaranga a pronunciation in lo enanga punctuation in lo enanga ti chuan a word stress khoya nge thluk sana khoya nge thluk niam ti te min lo en pui don ania chu nang mani pon reading in zirna ni kan ti to kha chuan kan chiar tanang gaily bedight, a gallant knight in sunshine and in shadow, had journeyed long, singing a song in search of ELDORADO. I will explain this in simple English. A brave knight, dressed in smart and bright color, made a long journey day and night in different weather conditions. Though the traveling was not easy, he went happily as he was hoping to find ELDORADO. chuan a om zia chu ta hian night pasal tha sap England pasal tha kan ti ang chi night in thuam moi tak meiral thuam fam ki ma in thuam kha zang khai takin in sunshine and in shadow asur asanwaya kan ti ang chu ta khan Eldorado zong turin phur takin awak chhuah ka ate chhuak ta ani ti chuan azin kong chu thui hle ma se a phur na khan ati chaka phur takin zai chungin Eldorado zong tur chuan a thuam fam kim nen chuan kha mi hwai sen pasal tha mi hwai sen kha a thok chhuak ta ani tina ani a stanza khatna hi nachin khan asap tong khan kan han soi to a thuakina tuna chuan kan soi fia lokanga kha pasal tha hwai sen kha aral thuam fam kim nen phur takin a thok chhuaka thui taka kal to a had journeyed long atia thui taka zin chhuak to a ma se al phur em ani zai chungin ozang khai takin Eldorado zong khan awak chhuak ani achan chu Eldorado kha immense wealth place kha khami rang kachak mun khur omna kha mun khopuya kha khala kha mu a in be sei tlata wangin awak chhuak a phur viawani stanza khatna hi chuan tin he hla reng reng hi chuan in sunshine and in shadow ti a hian sunshine kan ti hian a dictionary meaning a chuan ni eng ani top mai ni ma se heta hian ni eng ringot asoi lowa heta sunshine ati hi chuan hlim na te a thalam lom na te lungoi na te sunshine hian a koka tin and in shadow ati hian shadow kan ti chuan hlimthla ani kan taksa hlimthla hnung lama tanga eng in ron chu ni mo kami hlimthla asoi na khani ma se heta shadow ati hi chu a hri oma po a ha deuh ni pon ro sur buan hnuaya emo a hlim lo deuh ni a lo thlen te pon le mun hri om deuh hlek te po asoina ani shadow ti hian thlang ngor an dilowa hri om lampangte ha thlak lampangte asoina ani chu chu chang khatna in asoi chu ani a and in second stanza let me read out but he grew old this night so bold and o'er his heart a shadow fell as he found no spot of ground that looked like Eldorado. Ole na sabtungin toite ka soifia le lokangaya na soifia le lokang. In the second stanza, the night grew old now. He journeyed so long, he had spent so many times traveling alone. And when the time goes by, the brave knight grew old and tired. His heart lost hope. He don't believe in finding Eldorado anymore. Here, the shadow represents the disheartened emotional state of the knight. Chuan, second stanza a hi chuan. First stanza a phurviau ang khan, alo phurviau talem lo ani ang heta hian. He knight hi alo putar deuh tanta a ataksa te alo chaw deuh tanta a this night so bold tatini he night he pasal thawai sen takhi alo putar tanta a ti chuan athin lunga chuan and o'er his heart a shadow or ati hi over over tinania ma se a syllable kha ti tlem adu awangin over ti lo khan or atita ani chu one syllable in siam ta ti na me yanya over ti na nen khan in ang renga chuan athin lunga chuan lung oi lo na ril ru nual na aron thleng ta ani achan chu engati nge he found no spot of ground that looked like Eldorado. Eldorado rang kachak khopui om ang mel reng le ni om ang themte po kha amu tak lo awangin aril ru chu alo hnual tanta. And in the third stanza, and as his strength felt him at length, he met a pilgrim shadow Shadow, said he, where can it be, this land of Eldorado? Here the knight was quite weak now, but he still don't want to give up his journey. Not willing to give up on his journey, the knight was weak and tired, and he sees what appears to be a pilgrim shadow. He asks his shadow the way to Eldorado. Could it be that blinded by his journey that the dying knight failed to recognize his own apparition? And that was the questions. Chuan hemi omzia chu knight hi aha to ema ataksa po achaw to a tin azin thui to na leilenga ti chuan eitur mumal nei lo bok nen ama thla ti po kha amu swal ta nge ni a ta hian ataksa chaw lutukin taksa chaw lutuk khan thla amu nge bo hriat hran to lo ta hian thla amu ati top mai ani chu thla amu chu a chaw lutuk to si khan ti hian azota shadow ati tani khuila ya nge Eldorado kan tiang hi a theyang atia azot top mai. Over the mountains of the moon, down the valley of the shadow, ride, boldly ride. The shade replied, if you seek for Eldorado. Here in the last stanza, the shadow tells him to go beyond mountains, beyond the moon, and also tell him to go to the valley of the shadow, that is death. Shadow chuan thla chuan ti hian a changa khai tlang pi alama te thlapia alama te thlapel pel ten tlang pel ten beyond tlang pel ten hanzong te. Down the valley of the shadow ati down the valley of the shadow hi Bible apo kan hu athu hi valley of the shadow thi na hlim kurram sama ziaka kan hu ni thi na hlim kurram ti kha arun la ani heta hian chu thi na hlim kurram ati chu thi na hlim kurram tak po a omlo ma seng heta asoi na a chuan thi na hlim kurram ati hi chu death ani top mai ni thi na tlang chunga te tlang pia te thla chunga te azun theyem akal theyangem kan thrilo ma se chunga chuan zungro tlang chunga te thla chunga te chuan thi na hlim korwa ma te zongro ride boldly ride why sen takin ale titani why sen takin zongro zong selro. If you seek for Eldorado hi izong ani chuan chutianga chuan zongro atitani chu he poem ina min shil chu anita. From the poem Eldorado, the poet tells us that throughout our lives we strive to achieve our ambitions and goals in the process of loss out. From this poem Eldorado, the poet wants to tell us that in our life we strive to achieve our goals. We work hard to achieve our goals, but in the process of our walking, we used to lose out our lives. Chumi omzia chu hetia mishing kan dam chung hian kan tumram ti thleng turin kan thei pato pin kan chakna zong nen kan kala ma se kan kal konga hian kan tumna satlu tukna lama te kan nun te kan hlau pha thin ani kan chau pa thin ani kan nunin atwar pha thin ani ti te min zirtir ani hetianga pom kan zir reng hian I hlathu hi chu heng ang prose tele literature kan zirtinen hana in ang lova adang lamna chu he thuk nei te pon an siam thin ani he hlathu po hi ititi ang thuk nein akal theyani rhythm kan ti ang chi kha anei vi ani he poem hian an soidana phei chuanin hetia sakor tlan chiar dan tur chu a sakor tlan hi sakor tlan ri ang ridewin khatiang khan a chiar theyani chu omzia chu stanza khati kan chiar chinanga in sheme yang ta khan achar pa nga ya kha chuan gaily bedight a gallant knight in sunshine and in shadow kan ti ta tro ma se ta hian a word stress kha om bia gaily bedight a gallant knight in sunshine and in shadow had journeyed long singing a song in search of Eldorado kha a rhythm kan ti ang chu ani ve ta ni tin rhythm ba ka hian hemi poem hian rhyme kan ti ang chi kha nei ni tun lai a chuang kan she thewanga kha miswal kikor hafwal ti ang chi te po kha rhyme nei kha tro kha ti ang chia khan heta po hian bedight le night he rhyme word ania chuan shadow a do ti tak le Eldorado a do ti tak kha lo in rhyme le ta chuan had journeyed long le singing a song kha anita tin heta anwaya te po khatyang khan stanza danga te po khan old le bold ti te shadow Eldorado ground found ti te tin strength length ti te shadow Eldorado said he can it be he be te tin khatyang kha aloni ani shadow le Eldorado last stanza apo khan aloni le tani kha a rhyme words howaka anitani. Okay, at the end there are some questions which you were supposed to be answer by yourself. I'm not going to give you as a homework, but I want you to look at it and try to find out the answer of the questions given at the end. So number 1 na khan zo neng sha thiamlo takin number 1 na khan e na khan all sam ang ring hloma what was the knight looking for atia knight khan pasal tha khan enge azon why do you think the knight was looking for it enga tinge azong ni a in rin as he grew old why did a shadow grow over the knight's heart alo upatta khan enga tinge aril ruwa khan shadow ati hitan ril ruhnwal na disheartened kha alo nei tak atilea chuan pathumna a khan chuan apoim hi chiarla atia and as his strength felt him at length he met a pilgrim shadow ati kha omlea khami atang khan e na zona omta a what did the knight ask the pilgrim shadow knight khan pilgrim shadow kha enge azo chuan bina chuan what does the shadow tell the knight shadow khan knight kha engti enge ashil engti nge chan do you think the shadow was talking about the place on earth anile shadow khan kalro ati na akha hele mun ni hian in shaim over the moon beyond the mountain down the valley of the shadow haka ngai to ru o chuan do you think the knight found Eldorado Knight khan Eldorado kha amu in ringem azong mu in ringem ti kha zo na ho om zia chu ania kha in ngai tu na ka soi azong ka in ngai thlak chian chuan achan na om vek there are some difficult words which we have to give the meaning gaily bedight om zia kha chu brightly dressed ati topa mase brightly dressed kan te kha chuan pasal thate in thuam fam kim akha anime moi taka in thuam fam kim eng takmo kha ania seek ti kha omle kha chu zong search nia bold a omle kha chu brave ani le a pilgrim shadow ati le ni pilgrim shadow hi chu e mun zon big ne ya khatia nga traveler kha hemi heta hi chuanin e asoina ania the shadow of the traveler or the knight is own inner self the form of apparition atilea eta po hian pilgrim shadow khachu khami night shadow asoina khani pilgrim shim hi chu zinve wak mi ani meya kha khata kan chuan ama a night po kha pilgrim chu kan ti ve thei thowanga chuan shadow khachu khami thla amu kha ania angai ruat na atak sa chawina amu nge thla tak tharau tak ti po kha asoi fia lei thei to lowani khalaya ka chuan chu pilgrim shadow kan ti khani mai ole voina kan zir thei chin zong chu english a chuan khati zong kha ani kalome